Don't let entitlement be the name of your commitment. Man, where the keyboard player at, Pastor?
Yeah, I looked into the came here today. It was wonderful.
Are you committed enough to be embarrassed and talked about?
He was an exceptional speaker. I enjoyed every bit of it.
It was beautiful. I felt like it spoke to me personally.
Are you willing to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning, knowing you got to get up at 8, and you just went to bed at 1? I think I'm at somebody's doorstep right now. I'm sorry.
The sermon he gave, I feel like he was really talking to me, like he knew my life.
I'm committed because, listen, God kept me when nobody wanted to keep me.
Are you committed or are you not committed? What do you think about that?
I thought that was great. And look where commitment takes you. He wants to know what kind of impact does it have on people when you are committed.
But I know 2 years ago you was just dogging me out. But because I'm committed, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to support your business. Why? Because I'm committed to who God called me to be.
If you are willing to be committed, what will that birth? If you are 100% committed to God, what is that going to birth in your life?
When you're not committed, you will have the right plan, but the wrong people. And that's probably like some people y'all know, right? I mean, not here. We ain't talking about here. You know, this is a great place. And when you with the wrong people, when you have the right plan and you're with the wrong people, you have a better chance at them contaminating you.
The reason I enjoyed it is because I need to commit to things in my life and to God. So I appreciate him and everything he did and spoke on today.
He shared his own testimony.
Yes.
And just think where he would be had he not been committed to God.
Very good.
It's always outstanding when we find young people who are committed to God at that age.
When I would hang on to pain, it would linger so long that it would become one of my personalities. I'm just going to let that marinate for a second.